Hey guys, welcome to Lake Stevens Auto Detailing. Today we've got this 1995 Chevy work van, and it's the worst vehicle that I've worked on so far since I started detailing. The exterior had a bunch of kind of trees, sticky gunks on there. It had just been sitting for a long time, so it had junk all over the paint. That was stuck on there. You'll be able to see kind of on the front hood area. It's really bad, and the roof is even worse. So the exterior is going to need a super deep clean. There's just crud all over the place, and the van's been used as a work van. It hasn't ever really been detailed, so this thing is just absolutely filthy. Just doing a before and after shots so you can kind of see. Look at this roof. I've never seen a roof this bad, but there's white paint underneath it. Apparently I was told the clear coat hadn't failed, so we're gonna get that all scrubbed up and get it removed. Door jambs are pretty dirty. There's a tiny little bit of mold in here, but mainly it's just dirt and just kind of a years of grime and gunk that have built up on this thing, and it needs a super deep clean. So this will be an all-day project. As you can obviously tell, this thing is just filthy, and we'll do what we can to get this thing cleaned up and scrubbed up, and then I'll show you the after video here after we walk through. This mat's it's ripped up and shredded, and there's tons of dirt and gunk in there, so we'll get all these little seats and floors and everything cleaned up as best we can. I'll wrap up showing you the back here. Yeah, this thing is just absolutely trashed, but they're looking to sell it, get rid of it, so they're trying to get it as cleaned up as possible so they can get some decent little bit of money out of the vehicle. So anyway, here you can see this is my all-time nastiest vehicle that I've worked on so far, and then I'll show you the after. So this ended up taking around 10 hours, and didn't really take any breaks. The wheels were a little beyond saving, but you can tell the paint much better. We got all that sticky gunk off there, just the stuff that had accrued on the paint. The roof was by far the most challenging to get rid of all that junk, but as you can see, it is eons better than it was. This thing's looking nice and clean, so hopefully they can get a decent bit of money out of it, and I'll get my fee for doing the detail, and hopefully they'll get a nice little chunk of money for this thing. It still runs and drives, and ready to do some work for the next person. So you have to let me know, what do you think, guys, of the before and after. Is this the dirtiest van or vehicle that you've seen on YouTube get cleaned up? And how would you rate this on a 1 to 10, 10 being the worst? Everything cleaned up pretty decent considering the overall condition of the vehicle, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of the before and after, and how do you think I did on getting this thing cleaned up. Obviously I can't do too much on some of these areas that were just hammered, and then the wood boards and stuff, there's not really anything you can do there, but I just vacuumed and wiped out and scrubbed and cleaned and everything as much as I could for the condition of the van that it was in. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the before and after. Thanks, guys.